guys, it's BeevDawg and I'm here this month to bring you February's Loot Crate. Now, this month I have only had a peek at the title, the theme of this box, and it is transformation. My guess is Transformers comes to mind. So, without further ado, let's crack this bad boy open with the trusty good knife. I can't even get into this thing. Here come the sound effects. And as you guys know, I always let you look in the box before I get to see what's inside. Just bear in mind it is March this month. This thing does take a while to come over here, so apologies if I'm the last goddamn sucker for living in the UK to receive this, but let's see what's in the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hand in there. Oh, nothing bites me, so let's have a feel. Let's do the t-shirt first. This is the main reason why I love getting these, the t-shirts. It's a blue t-shirt, better than the usual, you know, black. Let's have a look at it. Ka-ching. So guys, it's a nice light blue. Transformation. Now I'm having a look at the t-shirt. I quite like the t-shirt, but the only problem is it's Adventure Time and I don't know what Adventure Time is. And I mean, I know what it is, but I've never seen it before, so I have no idea how it fits the theme. That's just me not watching it, so let's get the shirt on it. You guys ready for this? Do you know what? It feels, there's a lot of space in it. I have lost the stone since dry January, but it's the colour that's doing it for me. I like the Loot Crate t-shirts because they've got lots of room in it for my fat belly. Right guys, let's see what else is in the box. You guys have a peek at that. Get that in right there. Let's have a feel. Do this. The Hulk. 3D comic standee. Gonna need the trusty knife. The Hulk, I'm a big Marvel fan. Anything that's Hulk, Marvel, I'm gonna like it, so this box is already getting a point just because it says Hulk on it. But let's crack it open. Go, there we go, there we go. And it's, how rude, he's got his back to you. Just done that right there. And ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Hulk. So we've got a 3D statue of the Hulk right there. Give you a 360 rotation. We've had quite a few of these 3D figures. Some of them I've not really been a fan of, but it's because they don't look a lot like they don't look vintage, like close detail of the characters. But I'm looking at this Hulk and it does look like him. It looks quite detailed. I do like it. A lot of them pop vinyls that they do, I'm not a fan of the pop vinyls, I absolutely hate them. Right guys, let's go for another dive. No, we'll pull out the box this time. I did see on there, on the website, there was Alita Battle Angel in there. We've got another box. Right, this one's just a black box. And look when I pull out this. I need to get my finger in it. Oh. Come on guys, fingers crossed, Alita Battle Angel. I've seen the film, been in cinemas, it was awesome, you should watch it. We have a blue mug. Sorry, glass. It's not Alita Battle Angel. Is that Naruto? I think I've seen it on Netflix or something. Naruto pint glass. To be honest, I don't really know what Naruto is. I don't watch a lot of anime, so I feel like I'm sitting a backseat this month on understanding the relation to. I mean, it's a cool pint glass, don't get me wrong, but I'll just probably end up giving it to my little lad. He loves a good drink fruit with his tea. Right guys, we're getting a bit low. It's feeling a bit on the empty side, so I'm gonna dip my head in and pull it out. Oh, it looks like we've got a Hulk box. There's looks, let's have a look. Omega Supreme Autobot Defense Base. It looks like a game card of some kind, but it seems kind of big to be a game card. I saw the book in here. Oh, the pin's just falling out of the book. So guys, we've got the pin this month, Alita Battle Angel right there. It's pretty cool. It's got the robotic hand. Do you know what? These pins are quite cool. I mean, I still don't know what to do with them yet, but I'm a little bit disappointed because I was hoping the t-shirt was going to be Alita Battle Angel. That's the kind of thing. I just saw Transformation, like the book, and I saw Alita Battle Angel on there, and I was like, yes boy, I am off to watch that at the cinema. I loved it, and I thought this box is going to be awesome. I'm not disappointed with the box, but so I mean, let's have a look at this booklet. So it says here, Hulk is the strongest one there is. So we know that the Hulk there is, we know who, everyone knows who the Hulk is. Look, yeah, Naruto pint glass. And I'm just checking the card because I'm unsure about the card. Adventure Time t-shirt, absolutely 100% confirmed. And we have Transformers Autobot card game. Not anything I'm really going to do with it. Again, I think my lad will get a kick out of this. And am I in the cover of Loot Crate magazine this month? Fat chance, yo! Fat chance. So let's get all this stuff together and we'll have to give it a ring. So guys, got it set out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna look at each item and just review it, and we're gonna see, based on my opinion, how each item matches up to my opinion and how it fits the theme. I've got 4 major items and then the theme. So, looking at the t-shirt, I don't like Adventure Time, but I love the colour of the t-shirt. strangely, even though I don't make any relation to Adventure Time, I kind of like the t-shirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give the t-shirt half a point. That's half a point. Looking over here at the Transformers trading card, I mean, it's one trading card. It's not even like, the only thing I've ever played with trading cards is Pokemon. It's too big in my opinion. It's one trading card. I don't even know if it's worth anything. I've got no use for it. It doesn't get a point at all. The Hulk figure, I mean, come on man, who doesn't love the Hulk? Hulk smash! The figure's cool, it's in detail, it is going on display, that gets a full point. The Naruto cup, I do like the colour of the cup. It sounds familiar with the shirt. Again, I don't watch Naruto, I can't make a relation to the theme very well, but I imagine he must transform or into something or change tyres in some way. So yeah, half a point. So what have we got so far? Half a point, that's 1, 2 points, 0, and the theme. Okay, so the theme itself, transformation. You've got Transformers. Everyone knows that fits. You've got the Hulk, he transforms, that fits. Alita Battle Angel, she doesn't really transform. I mean, she changes suit halfway through the film. Suppose I can sort of see it. Naruto and Adventure Time, I can't really comment. So based on the fact that I can't make the relation, I can't downgrade the point. So I'm gonna have to give the full point for transformation to the box. My lack of knowledge based on those things, I can't downmark it for that. So in total, guys, it's got 3 points. So comparing the box in relation to my rating system, if the box is trash and you shouldn't even look at it, it's dog poop. If the box is not so great and you're glad you missed it, then the box is having its dog day. If the box is average and there's some things in there that I liked or maybe not liked, then we say it's the dog in the middle. If the box is great and there's a load of stuff in there that you like, then it's a dog treat. And if the box is absolutely awesome and you bloody missed it this month, then it's going in doggy style. So we know that I gave it, it's got 3 points. That lands it, in my opinion, as the dog in the middle. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just go down to the bottom there and hit that like button. Then scroll all the way down over to the side and you hit that subscribe button if you want videos in the future. And if you want to be notified as well, then go down there and hit that bell. I'm BeevDawg and you guys keep it real.